Okay, further down the side I was making a telescope, which is a small refractor with a clip-on 150mm lens, so essentially making two telescopes and the bigger lens changing the focal length of the scope. It's taken a while, but this is the unveiling of stage one. Do 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 do. And then you have it, my little Rubble telescope, a little refractor Hubble, or it could be a pile of rubble. And in the front we have the 76.5, I think, lens. I couldn't get 100mm off of eBay at the time. However, I'm going to put plastic around there, drill it in, and then put clips on that to the set length, which I have to do, which this has actually been ready for a long time. I just hadn't put it together and finished it. So there you have it. My little mini Rubble telescope. And, whoops. I'm using that is a Skywatcher angle and eyepiece there. So yeah, it is a cute little scope. I'm about to clean it. Unfortunately, I found that because it's rounder than the 4 inches of my ED refractor, it will not fit in the clamps like I thought it would, so I'll have to come up with an idea for that, which I already have pretty much. So I won't be able to use it right now, but I can't really use it right now anyway because of other reasons, but there you go. The mini Rubble refractor. Have a good